Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the app identity and device are ready. Open the Apple Developer Portal, create or confirm an app ID with Game Center enabled, and generate a provisioning profile bound to that app ID. Once done, install the profile on your test device and sign out of any production account. Sign into a Sandbox Game Center account. Next, in Xcode, open your project target, enable Game Center capability, and let Xcode manage signing so entitlements are applied. You now add the runtime code to connect the game. At app launch, authenticate the local player with GK Local Player. Check is authenticated and observe authentication handler callbacks so you can present login UI if needed. Once authenticated, report scores with GK Leaderboard. Submit score and report achievements with GK Achievement. Report. Include completion handlers for success and error paths. Make sure to cache reports when offline and retry. During development, repeatedly test in Sandbox to validate flow and prevent unexpected permission or entitlement failures. You finish by configuring Game Center assets and verifying end-to-end behavior. Upload a build to App Store Connect so leaderboards and achievements appear in the dashboard, then install the same build on a device signed into a Sandbox account and exercise every flow. Login, submit score, unlock achievement. If something fails, check entitlements in the embedded provisioning profile, confirm the app ID matches, and ensure Sandbox account is used. One key tip: if authentication fails, remove the app, reboot device, and sign into Sandbox again to clear stale tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.